Hey YouTube, we're going to do Forevermore by the artist Cuco. It's an A. Empty days, every day. I want everyone to know what I found roaming around to bless me while I'm away. That's without a doubt. Okay, that's the chords. It's kind of like a jazz chord sequence. So let's break it down and hopefully we can make some sense out of it instead of it just being a random series of chords. So the first, the beginning of the song is it's in the key of A, right? And then it goes to D. So A is the one chord. It's in the key of A, and then D is the 4 chord. All right, so it starts just a regular A chord, and it goes to A major 7, and then it goes to a A7. So those are all A chords. I would try to think of them as one thing, just with the small differences. Then it goes to D, and we have 2 D chords. When you bar this 2-2-2 on the high E, the B, and the G, and you play the D in the bass, that's a D major 7. Then we go to a D minor 7. So far, the first 5 chords are just A to D. Then we have C minor, C sharp minor, F sharp, B minor, then it ends on E, which is the 5 chord. And then it starts over. Well, that's repeats like 5 times. That's the whole song. It's a beautiful song. Thanks for watching. Bye.